face today, so I'm just going to line where I want the Mehron liquid latex to lay. So I'm going to go ahead and take that with a Q-tip and lay that down there. Then I'm going to go in with the Clown White paint from Mehron and lay that all over the face. But before I do my brows, I am just going to cover them with some Mehron Synwax. It just really helps lay the brows flat and will give you kind of a smooth finish. And then I'm just going to set that with the Colorset Powder, and then I'm just going to go in with the Clown White paint again and just go all over my face. And now I'm going to be making a nose just because the nun seems like she kind of has a longer nose, so I'm going in with the Synwax and I'm just molding a longer nose. Once I have the nose done, I am just going to set it again with that Colorset Powder from Mehron again, and then I'm just going to finish up the white along the nose. I am just going to extend the white a little bit down my neck, but you don't need to extend too much because you will be putting the cloth right there. And then I'm going to be going in with the Mehron AQ Paradise paint. This one is in black, and this is what I'm going to mostly be using for this entire look, is the black on top of the white. So you can see here I'm just going along the lines, and then I do go in with a clean brush just to kind of smooth it out. For this look, you just kind of want to make sure everything is well blended and there's no really harsh lines. So I'm just going to go in and just add areas that I think needs like the darkness. So basically I'm contouring the nose here, and then you guys will see soon that I'm just going to go in and blend everything out. So again, I am just laying lines down where I think that there would be kind of like wrinkles in the face or cracks. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect wherever you want them to lay. What's most natural for you in your face is where you can lay those darker lines. And then I'm just going to go in and just blend and buff everything out. And for the nun look, she does have pretty hollow cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and just contour underneath the cheekbone very well and extend that a little bit towards the chin, so it really looks like my face is sunk in. So since I want to create the illusion that I do have a longer, pointier nose, I am just going to take that same black paint and extend my nostrils a little bit to make them look like they are longer instead of rounder. And then I'm going to go ahead and shade in the nose on the side to where it looks like it's coming in more towards a point, if that makes sense. So again, I'm just shading around the nose. I'm making in these lines that aren't actually there to make it seem as if the nose is more pointier. So as you can see here, I'm just going in, I'm just adding in areas of black where I see fit. So around my mouth, I am just going to stipple a little bit of the black. And then you guys will see, I'm just going to go ahead and put black in areas like where my fine lines are. And just, again, blend everything out very well. I am going to go in with that black paint on a brush just very lightly, and I'm just going to hit the areas of the face where the white is, just to kind of give it a more gray effect, so that way it's not so white on the face. I do want the skin to look like it's cracking a bit, so just in areas where I want the cracks to be, I'm just going to add very fine line cracks, and then I will go ahead and blend it out again. So it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. You can just lay those cracks wherever you want them to be. Now I'm just going to go in with the black and contour up the face a little bit more, again, just to make it seem more as if it's sunken in. So I'm going to go underneath the chin and around my cheekbones as well. I'm just going to go ahead and add that black paint to my lips again, and then I'm going to go ahead and go through with that black paint with a wet brush and just splatter that all over the face. For the other side of the face, I'm going to go in with the Mehron Celebré HD foundation in medium 2, and I'm just going to cover that whole entire area. I am going to be doing a more natural look on this side. Before I finish up the face, I am just going to add a little bit of that black paint dripping out of the nose. Just, I don't know, I like that look. It kind of gives it more of a scary look. So to finish up that side, I'm going to go in with the HD Cream Foundation again, and this one is in Light 1, and I'm just going to put that underneath the eye and a little bit on the lid as well and blend that out. And just to contour, I'll be going in with the Dark 2 and blending that out as well. And for the brows, I'll be going in with the dark brow pencil and just outlining my brows and filling those in. To highlight, I'll be going in with the Warm Pro palette, and I will be mixing those colors and hitting those underneath the brows, the inner corner of the eye, and then the cheekbone. And after that, I'll be going in with the Intense Wind palette, and I'll be taking this Turbulent, it's a soft brown color, and I'll just be putting that in the crease just to add a little bit more definition to the eye. And then I will be hitting the lashes with the Brazen Mascara. Again, this is going to be more of a natural look, so I'm not going to be applying any false lashes. And then lastly, I do just want to shade that line where the face is being split, so I will be going in with the light brown and dark brown and just blending that all out. And that's it, you guys. That actually completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.